news about Jesus as found to Luke chapter 14 from verse 15 to verse 24. The story about the big dinner. One of them were at the table and hear what Jesus said to him, "The one we are going to name a God table, a him bless." Jesus said, one man did a look about one big dinner and he tell enough somebody if he come. When the time come for the dinner, he send him servant to tell all the women invite, say, "Come, everything ready now." All of them start make excuse. The first one say, "Me just buy piece of land and me have to go look upon it, so me beg your pardon." Another one say, "Me just buy 10 cow and me go check them out and see how them work. Me beg your pardon." Another one say, "Me just married, so me can't come." The servant come back and tell him master what them say. Then the master for the house get vexed and say, "Me case go out a road and carry the poor, the cripple, the blind and the lame people them come." The servant say, "Me do what you order me fi do, sir, but room there for more people." The master telling servant say, "Go out on the highway and in the countryside and make people come so my house will full. Cause you see all of them people there when me did invite, no even one of them I got taste my food." A Gad Wod Dis. Thank God